So today, let's look at this pair of solar power lights. We'll begin now. All right, so let's look. In the box, we get these two solar power LED lights. It has 10 LEDs each. And what else we get? We get the instructions, but you don't need it because you're going to see it right away. I had to do it with this video. So we get the instructions. We get a thank you card. And we get this card. This will help you to drill. You mark around the wall if you're going to put it on your deck or anywhere you want to put. And it comes with the studs and the screws to install it. And let's give a look at one so you see what this thing looks like. So we get 10 LEDs. It's solar, so we'll charge during the day and we'll stay on during the night. We see the two screws there. And this is to turn it on and off. And I'll show you how this works. Now, this one I already turned it on. So you can see soon I cover, comes on. It already came charged from factory, so it's cool. So for sure we're going to put it aside. This will light up and stay all night long. Now, to turn it on for the first time, what are you going to do? You're going to use something like a needle. Let's look right over here. So you're going to insert the needle and you're going to feel a click. Just go push in. That's it. You hear you're going to feel it clicks in and you see now, and it turns on. Very simple. Nice, cute lights to put it anywhere. Outdoor, they require some lights. Remember the information and to buy this right now. The link right below this video.